What's up, y'all? It's me, Rashad. Long time no talk, I know. Basically, if I want to just keep it real concise and tell y'all what I've been up to, I basically have not been focused on YouTube, obviously. I've been more focused on my business overall. I'm just doing it bigger and bigger, and that's why I'm just giving y'all basically an update. Take y'all with me as I go to pick up my products. This time, it's just massive. Like, I got to get a bigger truck each and every time I re-up on my inventory, and it's crazy. I really honestly feel like I'm an e-commerce legend. I don't want to come on here bragging or nothing, and that's not really my MO, but I don't see nobody else doing it like this. Like, of course you see all the people advertising on YouTube saying, oh yeah, drop shipping this and e-commerce this and that, but you never see them hands-on doing anything. And then what follows that advertisement? Buy my course. Like, you know what I'm saying? I could have dropped a course, and I might just actually drop a course. In reality, I am going to drop a course. You know why I'm going to drop a course? Because I'm really doing this, and I feel like I have a way that I could teach you guys, and it's really going to be from a place where y'all can tell like I'm really doing this. So I'm back at it again. E-commerce, big business, with a bigger truck than ever. U-Haul. You pick your own stuff up. So I just finished up the paperwork right now. Now I'm about to drive around to the ramp because I got the U-Haul truck, and the U-Haul truck doesn't have the, it won't go to the gate, you know what I'm saying? Because the back part of the U-Haul truck is low. They got the low, not deck, but what is it called? Let me see real quick. What they call it? The back end of it ain't hot. And as y'all see this video, y'all really are gonna tell that I'm really doing this. It's not that I'm just going to like a remote location at a beach and be like, oh yeah, I'm just living the life. Oh yeah, e-commerce this, drop ship this, and yeah, I'm living the life, buy my course. It's like y'all really see me hands on here, going to pick up the inventory, you know what I'm saying, from the U.S. Customs border, warehouse, all of that. She told me to go all the way around, but I remember last time I went all the way around, I was trapped because it was a load of trucks. And so I had to wait for all the trucks. Yeah, man, I'm not about to go all the way around. It take hours sometimes. Like, I'm not trying to wait here for hours just to go around to the ramp that's empty, because not many trucks use the ramp. That's my little shortcut to get through here quicker. Let's do it. All right, so it's like you really have that connection with me, and I know a lot of y'all do have that connection, and I kind of feel like I failed y'all by just stopped making the business videos. And honestly, a main reason why I stopped making those business videos is because I didn't see a return on my investment, you know what I'm saying? I was making the videos giving y'all pure knowledge, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know if it's up with the YouTube algorithm, but I felt like the fact of me giving all that value to y'all and how the algorithm treated me, or as far as when I post certain videos, it would not do what, it wasn't going in the upward trend. That's just basically what I'm going to say, all right? So I had to just stop focusing on something that was not going to return value to me in the same way that I was giving out value, you know? So it's just come to the point where if I'm going to be making business videos, I'm going to be selling a course to get the value for the knowledge that I'm providing, you know? Because in all reality, it took me a lot of time and a lot of days to just sit here and accumulate this knowledge and learn certain things. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you I took L's, because I didn't take any L's, you know? That's bad that I haven't taken any L's, because you know when that economy crash, it's going to be crazy. I wonder how I'll react, but nevertheless, I haven't taken any L's. It's just been going on an upward trend for me, you know? Like, I never lost any money in my business. Like, it's all been profit, you know, just profit, and it's been doubling and it's been stacking, you know what I'm saying, each year. I actually had no choice but to go this way right now, because I wasn't confident in my skills to back this U-Haul truck up and do a return the other way. One thing, I know a lot of people that watch the videos are not even in a position to kind of take advantage of this information that I would be able to provide. It's only a small select few individuals that will be able to take advantage of the information. And so it's like, but in reality too, those small few individuals that can take advantage of the information, they are going to be willing and able to purchase the course and buy that course because they're going to see the value. All right. Nevertheless, I'm gonna have a link in the description where you can sign up for my email list. And this is a brand new email list, and this is just gonna be for y'all that see this video. And I'm probably make more videos promoting the email list, but I'm gonna accumulate you guys on this list, and I'm gonna drop a course. I don't wanna say nervous, but I'm kinda like anxious to see what happens next year, because it just got to a level now. It's like, can this growth continue? And that's kind of the uncertainty that I'm facing now. So now I'm making my way downtown. Yeah. And I'm homebound. No. Making my way downtown. I don't driving fast on the freeway. No. Yeah, so I just talked to some lady and I was like, are you sure it's like a clear path? Because the first time I came here was like a long line. I'm gonna show y'all. The truck's backed up for all the way up to basically, not this point. Let me show you the point. I thought it was a truck, but nope. They got pallets on pallets on pallets. It was backed up to like right here. And it was like, you gonna have to wait hours. I had to hop out the car to go see. I had to walk all the way down there to see. Why is he doing all that hunting? Make no sense. Hey, if y'all need a nice job, truck drivers. This is me pulling up to the ramp. Let's get it. Yeah. I'm going to drop a course on how to start your own. Well, is it going to be how to start your own business? More or less, just how to get into e-commerce. All right. If you like a YouTube content creator, it's really going to benefit you, because you already know I have that background of being a content creator and an influencer. At this point, I will just show you how to make the online store and give you certain tips and techniques on how to make that online store prosper, you know, within my course. Like, I'll take you step by step. All right, all done. I really do this, y'all. Like, I'm not playing games out here. This is a real business, man. I feel like I'm Will Smith from The Pursuit of Happiness when he had all them boxes. We out here, y'all. Can't wait to get back in the bad boy right here. But I gotta finish up this work in the U-Haul. Man, if I sound kind of funny, I got my retainers in right now, so I slur my speech right now. But look, man, I'm really out here sweating. Like, can y'all see this? Hold up. Man, when was the last time you seen one of these? Ooh, since 1999, man. My mom had a 1999 Camry. Man, I'm sweating like I'm a crazy madman, but you gotta put that work in, y'all. At least I'm still dipping. That's what I do this for. Best time to roll out. Yeah. Hey, don't talk to me unless you could whip a big old 26-foot U-Haul truck, alright? This remind me when I used to work for the gas company and we had to learn how to drive the van. I was nervous at first, but then I got the hang of it real quick. And so now when I gotta drive these trucks, I don't even sweat it. Hey, how's it going? Yep.
Alright, bro. Yeah, you're okay, man.
Alright, thanks. And I'm out of here. Yeah. Can't exit out of there without that yellow slip. city of Compton. Compton. Hey. 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 I'm out of here. Hey. Going forward in time, I'll have more details about what the course would entail. But nevertheless, just go ahead, click that link in the description, sign up for that brand new email list, and I'm gonna stay in contact with you guys. I'll send you some emails, and I don't have the course made yet. So at this current time, if you hop on this list, it's gonna just give me basically a judgment to be able to see if people are really interested in learning from me personally. Because people hit me up on Instagram and they let me know like, oh, Rashad, man, I want you to teach me. I want you to be my mentor, you know? And I see the messages, but at the same time, it kind of bothers me because I'm not able to extend that out at the moment because I'm just so busy, you know? But if I were to create a course or just basically a guide for you to get started and push you in the right direction, I feel that would be very beneficial, and I would be able to help those people that are watching me and just like, man, if I could just get the tips from him and the steps to get started, it would benefit me greatly, you know? And so those are kind of the people that should be watching this video and still watching to this point. Nevertheless, yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say. I'm about to get some stuff edited for my business and my other YouTube channel where I'm more active. And yeah, besides that, hopefully it's motivating to you, and hit that link in the description, sign up for that brand new email list. If I get a hefty amount of people on that list and I see a demand for me to create the course, then I'll create it for you guys specifically, and also I'll give you guys a special offer for that course, you know, because I'm going to make it expensive because this knowledge is valuable, you know. So yeah, y'all, hit that like button, enjoy the video, and I might post another video soon about business. I just got to see how I feel, you know. Enjoy.